Director of Manipur Fire Service, Laishram Nabachandra, highlighted the need for stricter adherence to National Building Code during fire outbreaks, observing that compliance in the state appears to be lax. Speaking at the inaugural function of the 3-day national workshop held at Government Polytechnic College Auditorium, Takyel, Nabachandra emphasized that engineers and engineering students play a crucial role in safeguarding lives and property. He pointed out that fire engineering education in Manipur is limited, urging students to pursue it as it provides good employment opportunities within fire service. He further noted that engineering students are actively seeking roles as third-party auditors at Manipur Fire Service to ensure proper implementation of fire safety regulations. The director stressed that architects and engineers must have thorough understanding of fire safety norms and necessary preventive measures must be taken during building construction. He added that special attention should be given to structures like hospitals, schools, and educational institutes, and care must be taken when buildings are repurposed for institutional use. The fire service has also begun stricter monitoring while issuing fire safety certificates. The 3-day workshop is jointly organized by Institute of Engineers India, Manipur State Center, Town Planning Department, Government of Manipur, and Indian Society of Heating, Refrigerating and Air Conditioning Engineers, ISHRE, on the theme Mechanical, Electrical, Plumbing and Fire Protection MEPF Systems in Building Sector. The inaugural function was attended by several dignitaries, including Chief Town Planner Benju Nongthombam, former ISHRE President Manoj Chakrabarti, Government Polytechnic College Principal Likmabam Shamungao, and IEI Manipur State Center officials L. Swamikanta, Dr. Subhash Chandra Thokchom, Soibam Tampa, and convener Tingom Subhokumar Meitei. Simple gifts were presented to the event sponsors and partners during the ceremony.
Building plans se kamai to monda setback legidra adagi assembly point legidra parking legidra haibra sing si am phukna study to birakanda building si yekpio aduga aduna atragati nasai horen man building is sajanbal loirakanda fire safety certificate logo matamda aikoida madugi thonaba challenge am thingne sadi sajangra then adigi amana mu Manipur da akoida thingasabada hospital adagi school hotel suma sing saba sing sida akoi particularly high river institution na program magi establishment tongena ba poro na akoi sadabo aduma yi yum mo na sarga do hospital le chemba aduna musom da di architect to chawbi adre engineer to chawbi adre and see ki sina maram workanda akoi da sai fire protection system da am na choba challenge ma tinge aduna masi ki sei engineer tamiba satra singna madu ki bajana thenga bi rakanda akoi madu solution ji porpang ngani na adai da thamjege
building ama ubu matam da building amagi maroi ba khadigi maroi ba masaksi akoina masak building masak tu nati mai manung si akoi ki mioi bagi haksang da chil singri nauri ngum bani haibu yaraba kinoni akoin MEPF haisi moijin matik jana parakanda da building magu yam safe oiba building haiba building safe oiba adigi sustainable oiba leibadan nungai ba adigi akoi ki emergency da akoi ki health hazard adigi akoi ki disaster kai da akoi protect to ya ba ngamba dugumba technology akoi ki mechanism yam do bani akoi MEPF plus subsel laga yauri sidana ngasi ki akoi ki leidiba state leidiba satra sangstan satra ki akoi ki building line da ulliba professionals satra adigi expert pudimak okigi sigi MEP gi latest update latest technology singasi okoi aware ORC oinana bagi damak ta koina sinjaba nimi huni gi oba national workshop ni si conference service